Hi guys, what's up? So, yes, I know I'm uploading after a very long time and this is a really bad behavior, but it's fine. So, today I'm just shooting a day in my life because I have something exciting. You guys might know by the title of this video. I'm in my house, I'm just wearing my nice suit and I'm just gonna take a shower, then change, and then we're gonna leave. I'll just see you in a bit.
Say hi. We have almost reached. Actually, we have reached.
Mommy,
Mama, so we are in the showroom. My love. And we are waiting.
you guys excited?
Are you excited?
नई गाड़ी चलाने के लिए
Mama hasn't taken the test drive yet. Only I have driven.
ब्लैक रहते हैं हाँ बेटा
Buying the car.
कार ओनर मनमीत ओबरॉय
Yes, car owner.
हाँ तो मैंने भी दिया इसमें 5,000 कैसे तो पता नहीं
अच्छा. We are sitting in our new car. Yay.
गाड़ी तो देख कितनी गंदी है
We are in the Gurudwara. Hi guys, so it's 2 days later and that's my sister. So finally we are going on the car drive after 2 days where I am driving because tab se gaadi was over here only. So I'm very excited. I'm ending the vlog here. It's the next day again and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.